Hey guys, welcome back to Vegas Auto Gallery Service Center. We are doing a 2019 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. We're gonna do a Quicksilver exhaust system. We're gonna pull the DME, get a tune on it, and we have a baseline dyno run, but we're gonna compare it to the after the fact dyno run so you guys can see everything. So we've got the Quicksilver exhaust all unpacked. It looks like we're doing a full muffler, right? With flap actuators so we can get the different sport tones. And then the cool part, we're doing downpipes. The coolest part about these downpipes is they are high-flow cats. So it's still gonna be 50 state legal. Just an update on what we've been up to, trying to get this rear bumper out to get to the mufflers. Fender liners off, wheels off, all the under panel trim from front to back because we're going for downpipes. And then, you know, it's a flat bottom car and we got to remove everything in order to get this bumper out, and that's where we're at. Alright, so now we got the bumper off and now we can start tearing into the muffler and then moving the exhaust back and then doing the downpipes. All right, so we got both downpipes out now. We're gonna swap over the O2 sensors into the new High-Flow Cats. So we've already swapped over the exhaust hangers and we've swapped over the valve actuators so that, you know, that changes the tone of your exhaust depending on the mode that you select on the steering wheel. So next up is mounting this bad boy into the car. Let's check it out. Hey guys, so we just finished the install of the Quicksilver exhaust on this 19 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. What we did was downpipes, high-flow cat downpipes, and a straight-through muffler. And it sounds good. You guys heard it as we were pulling it off the rack, but we don't have a baseline sound for you guys to listen to, but it's not even worth it. This is just way cooler as it is. So right now we're gonna pull the ECU, we're gonna get it tuned, and then we're gonna go do some dyno pulls, and then we'll show you what it looks like after the fact. We got a slight problem with the DBS Superleggera. We took it to the Eurotek Dyno, and they can't get a good read on it because you got to do a 4th gear pull. And a 4th gear pull on a 7-speed V12 twin turbo maxes out the dyno. So they maxed out the dyno at 210 miles an hour in 4th gear. So what we're gonna do is they're gonna recalibrate the dyno so it'll go faster and we can get a more accurate read. And once we get that, then we'll show you the rest of the car and the dyno sheets and all that stuff. But we're estimating probably close to 1,000 horsepower. So check it out. Hopefully we'll see you soon. So I'll see you when I see you later.